Tractor Mac, Colors on the Farm by Billy Steers. Red is a rooster, and red is a barn. Red is Tractor Mac, who works on the farm. Yellow is wheat, yellow is squash, yellow is Carl, getting a wash. Pink is a radish, and pink is a rose. Pink is the color of Pete the pig's nose. Green is a pea pod. Green is the grass. Green is Lucy, best in her class. Brown is a potato, and brown is a goat. Brown is Sibley's fine, shiny coat. Orange is a pumpkin, and orange is a gourd. Orange is Doug, who never gets bored. Blue is for blueberries. Blue is for skies. Blue is for trucker, whose fenders have eyes. Tractor Mac loves Stormy Meadow and all of its charm. Rainbows are colorful, and so is Mac's farm. Tractor Mac, Colors of the Farm by Billy Steers.